Good day guys! Ayan, kumusta po tayo lahat dyan, no? This is Laking Davao and once again, welcome back to my channel. Ayan. Hi guys, magandang araw sa inyo lahat, no? Sana ay nasa mga mabuti tayong mga kalagayan, ha? Yan. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Old Passenger Terminal Building ng Davao International Airport. Ayan. So, tayo ay pumunta dito para ito ay ating binisita natin tong lugar na ito at para matunghayan, no, kung ano yung nangyari na ba dito, no, at ano na ba ang sitwasyon nitong dating terminal building ng Davao International Airport, no? And actually this is a request also of one of our viewers, no, and subscriber, no. Actually marami nga sila na dati pa nagko-comment yan sila na to visit this place nga daw, no, to see what is the situation about in this area already. Ayan, no. So isa dyan si Eric Capdos, no. Ayan, sa iyo ma'am, good morning sa iyo. Ayan, nandito na rin tayo, no, finally. And actually it made me had this kind of mixed emotion, no. Kasi guys, this is the first time since I think last 2 decades when I was here, no, and when I was using this airport, no, this terminal building, no. It was almost I think almost 3 decades na, no, parang ganon nakatagal, no, since the last time I used this airport. Kasi guys, nagkaroon ako ng medyo kakaibang pakiramdam, no. It's kinda yun nga, mixed emotion, no. Very strange, no, emotion. Kasi I was a frequent flyer, no, before, even now ngayon medyo medyo tipid-tipid na tayo, pero before kasi as I said, yung dati ako nga guys, kasi ang family ko is coming from Manila, no. We're actually from Parañaque, no. We live in Parañaque and we just migrated here in Davao City. So that's why since nung bata pa ako, no, until now na medyo yun, labas-pasok ako ng Davao, no. Umuuwi pa rin kami doon sa ancestors house namin sa Parañaque. So, and this terminal building, ito yung dati namin na used to be, no, na ginagamit lagi always, no. So very fresh pa sa akin, no, na nare-reminisce ko at parang nagfa-flashback sa akin yung mga dating araw, no. Naalala ko yung mga big copies chandeliers there, no, sa taas sa pre-departure area, no. I think there are 3 or 4 of them, no, pang ganon na copies na chandeliers. It's so nice, no. And then yan, kasi open ang ano niyan guys, no, yung pre-departure area, open air kasi yan siya guys, hindi yan siya air condition yung ating airport before. It is like an al fresco, no. Unlike kasi dito sa international departure area, no, or itong sa international na passenger terminal building, ito ay air condition, no. Ayan, na ang gumagamit nito is the Silk Air, no, Garuda Airlines, no. Ayan, yung Silk Air, I think that is yung going to Singapore, you know. Ayan, no. Also there is parang I have, if I am not mistaken, no, Malaysian Airlines also was used to use this terminal building also, no. And then meron pang isa nakalimutan ko lang. Ayan, no, ito yun, ito yung sa international terminal building guys, no. Ayan. So usually, ayan, no, merong yang parang bridge dyan kasi para yung sa mga pasahero na international flights na who are connecting bound to somewhere, no, to Manila ba, Cebu, no, or even Cagayan de Oro City, ayan, no, and Zamboanga City. So yun, no, so ngayon tayo ay iikot dito sa lugar na ito. Magkakaroon tayo ng konting reminisce, no, at sasabihin ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga naging experience ko dito, no, at sa syempre sa hindi natin makalilimutang trahedya na nangyari dito sa airport na ito, no. So yun, so ito, ayan, this was a ano guys, no, parang meron dito, I think ito yata, no, yung parang opisina ng Philippine Airlines, ayan, no. And somewhere here I think this is for customs, no, tapos this is or ito or ano, no, administration office ng airport, and then Philippine Airlines, no, parang ganyan, ticket din, at saka and then this one is the main entrance of the airport already, ayan, no, yan guys, no. So dito, so merong nakaharang, ayan, so titingin lang tayo guys, no. So ito yung main entrance ng airport before guys, no. So diyan papasok, and then pagpasok mo, nandiyan na yung checking area, no, yung kung saan i-check yung mga bagahe mo, no, may mga x-ray machine, ayan, and then after that pagkalusot mo, it will be the check-in counters already, no, ayan, ayan, and then after you check in, no, ayan, aakyat na kayo dito, ayan guys, no, aakyat na kayo dyan papunta sa pre-departure area. Then dyan sa may pre-departure area, dyan lang mismo mayroon na ng mga checking area dyan, no, yung may mga machine, no, x-ray machine, ayan, and then nasa pre-departure area ka na, ayan, no. So actually malaki yan siya guys, no. I think this terminal guys, this airport here, these two terminals can actually accommodate a 1 million to 1.3 million passengers annually, no. That's per year, no, yan, annually, yan yung kanyang capacity, no. I think dyan, no, 1.3 to 1.5 I think, no, na passengers annually. So yun, so ito na siya ngayon guys, no. So yung international terminal building guys ay ginamit yan ng Minda, no, na yan ang naging quarters ng Minda, yung Mindanao Development Authority, no. But ngayon wala na sila, no, parang they're out na, wala na, hindi na nila ginagamit yan, and actually they transfer, no, somewhere in downtown, no. Parang kung hindi ako nagkakamali, baka nandyan sila sa, probably nandyan sila sa poblasyon, no, sa may Davao City Center, no. Ayan, no. And pagkakaalam ko rin, it was used also, no, after they closed this, the quarters of the Davao City Task Force, no. Ayan. So yan siya guys, no. So ito naman, ano na ang nangyari dito after closure? Wala na, no. Ito totally abandoned, no. Ayan. Nagamit lang to siya ulit guys is nung pandemic time, no. Itong terminal building na ito ginamit as the one of the facilities, no, for the passengers, no, for the COVID, yung para sa mga yung mga inbound, no, na mga pasahero natin, no. So ito yung naging isa sa mga medical healthcare facilities ng Davao City, no. Ayan, so ginamit ito siya, yun siya yung time na yun na nagamit lang to guys, no. 2020, on the year 2020, no, kasi 2020 naman nagkaroon ng pandemic, no, around July yata I think, no, July or ano, yan. So yun guys, no, mag-iikot-ikot pa tayo dito. Ito naman, ito yung mga yung pathwalk dito is will lead you to the parking area, no. Ayan, may hinahanap ako dito guys na statua, no. Alam ko meron pa ditong ano maraming ano dito, no, yung may rotary pa dito na ano, no, na logo, no, or yung kanilang parang ano plaque ng Rotary, and then there's a statue here, no, a guy who's holding a durian, no. Ayan, yun yung hinahanap ko dito, na I think wala na siya ngayon, no. Somewhere here, no, facing siya, nakaharap siya dito sa terminal building, no, and he was raising the durian, no. Ayan, but wala na siya. Ayan, so ito naman siya, guys. Yan nga, as I said, this is the parking area already, no. Meron tong tatlong ano no, parang tatlong stage, no. This is 1, and then 2, and then the third one, no, the last one, no, yung doon. Kasi parang triangle to, guys, no. Kung coming ka from Sasa, ganyan, diyan ka iikot, and then kung susundo ka, yan, parking area ka na kaagad. Kung may ihatid ka naman, dire-diretso ka hanggang dito, no. Dito mo ibababa yung mga pasahero mo. Ayan, dito yung unloading area ng mga pasahero. Ayan, no. So ito naman, ito, yan, ano, parang ano kasi ito dito, guys, parang maliit na plaza or park, no. Ayan, ayan dyan pa yung flagpole. Ayan siya, guys, no, dating flagpole. So yun, no. Ayan, no? Ano talaga, guys, no, nakakamiss tong lugar na ito, especially if you are a frequent flyer before and using this terminal building, no. Ayan, so sana, no, nasasayangan ako kasi, guys, no, nasasayangan talaga ako sa terminal building. They could use this paano, pwede pa to gamitin, no. I think the CAAP or since no, the Davao International Airport Authority have to take a look on this, no. Pwede kasi ito nila gamitin for the smaller planes, no, or for the flights like going bound to from Davao to Zamboanga, Davao to CDO, no, or Davao Siargao, no, Davao Bohol, no, in Tagbilaran. I think Panglao na ngayon, no, Panglao, no. Ayan, no, yung mga ano ba, yung mga maliliit na ano ng Cebu Pacific like Cebgo, sa Philippine Airlines naman yung Pal Express, no, and then the Air Philippines also, no. I think they are using also, no, there are some of the in Pal Express, ang nag-ooperate is the Air Philippines, no, and then so yun, no, so pwede to nila gamitin to, guys, no, and it's a one good idea to decongest the current terminal building, kasi nga nandoon lahat, no, from domestic to international. Now, so ngayon nagiging congested na yung area doon kasi how many flights yata ang Davao ngayon, no, coming from Manila, vice versa, no, Manila Davao, Davao Manila, no, sa isang airline lang, no. Parang I think there are more than 6 flights, no, sa isang 6 to 8 flights, no, in one day. Tapos yung isang airline din parang ganun din, so that's in total of 18, no, 16 to 18. Ayan, no, so yun, guys, no. Tapos meron pang Air Philippines, meron pang Air Asia, no. Ayan, no. So tapos meron pa silang mga Cebu flights, no. So I think it's really a good idea to, kung dito nila ilalagay yung mga smaller one, no, yung mga flights na going to Cebu, to Zamboanga, yan nga sabi ko, no, CDO, no, para doon na lang yung Manila and Cebu, and then the international flights na, no. Ayan, at least naman medyo ma-decongest siya, since although meron namang plano na meron namang, at I think it is already ongoing, no, yung expansion ng ating airport, no. Pero yan kasi, guys, ang magiging ano din yan kasi since babalik sabi-sabi, no, babalik na si Cathay Pacific, no, and then si Royal Air Philippines, no, na magkakaroon din ng direct flight from Davao to Hong Kong, no. Ayan, and then si Cebu Pacific yata meron pa siyang Davao Singapore, no? And then andyan pa si Scoot Airlines, no? Ayan. And then which is going to Singapore also. And then Singapore Airlines andyan din, no? Although merong na nilabas si Singapore Airlines, I think they will suspending the flights, no, muna, no. I think yun ang pinakamaganda doon, at ang pinakamaganda doon, at least they use the suspension of the flights here in Davao. So hindi sila gumamit ng mga term na terminating the flight, or they will terminate the flight, no, or ano yan. So still wala namang problema diyan, kasi yung Scoot naman, it's a sister company of the Singapore Airlines, no. So yan, no. Tapos we heard ANA, no, All Nippon Airways is now conducting a study, no, for the possible flights coming from Japan to Davao, no. Since yun ang pinakamagandang ano guys, kasi marami kasing descendants ang Japan dito sa Davao, no. And marami ding mga Mindanao na going to Japan, no. So it will be an ease and a very comfortable side naman, or sa side naman ng mga taga Mindanao, na hindi na nila kailangan pumunta ng Manila pa, no. And then medyo doble gastos, gagastos ka pa ng from your flight going to Manila, and then from Manila to international. Ayan, no. So andyan din si Qatar Airways, no. Ayan, isa din yan sa mga maganda, ang mga yan ang mga magaganda na papatok talaga na flights dito sa Davao, no. Yung mga Middle East, no, yan, UAE, kasi yun yung marami dito, no, na mga OFWs na coming from Mindanao is nandoon sa mga Middle East, no. So yan nga, sabi ko, magiging komportable yan para sa kanila, dahil hindi na nga sila dadaan pa ng Maynila, no. Ayan. So ngayon guys, pupunta tayo doon, no, sa kabila, no, at may pupuntahan natin yung area na kung saan nangyari yung trahedya dito. Ayan. So let's go. Ayun guys, no. So right now guys, we are standing kung saan mismo yung waiting area ng airport dati. Ayan, no. So itong area na ito, this is the arrival area, no. Actually diyan lumalabas yung mga pasahero. And itong area na to, yung nasa taas na yan yung glass yan dyan guys, So nakikita mo yung mga pasahero na dumadating coming from Manila and Cebu, dyan sila dumadating, no. That's why dito na area, ito yung waiting area, no. May malaking ano dito guys, no, parang canopy, no. It is a covered area to dito, no. Ayan, so maraming upuan dito, no. Meron pa tong mga canteen. Alam ko meron tong canteen dati, may bilihan dito, no? Ayan. So nandito lahat ng tao na nag-aantay sa kanilang mga pasahero na susunduin. Ayan. And this is also the area where the devastating tragic happened, no, when a bomb explode in this area. Ayan guys, it was in 2003, no, around 4 p.m. to 5 p.m, no, in the afternoon, na yung sumabog, no, yung na-detonate yung bomb dito, and it take 22 lives guys, no, and injured more than 150 people, no. Yun. So since kasi sarado nga to guys, so pagkasabog, yan, no, bumuka yung atip, no. Ayan, tapos lahat ng blast papunta dito sa harap, no. Ayan, so nadama yung mga tao na going inside the airport, no, and then mga tao dito, kasi dito may mga taxi dito naka-waiting, no, para sa mga pasahero na gustong sumakay ng taxi. Ayan, no, and then of course the porters, no. Ayan, mga porters. Ayan, no. So ang dami talaga nangyari. That was the most devastating day for Davao, and the worst nightmare, no, nangyari for the Davaoenos, no. Nakakalungkot yung araw na yun, no, sometime in 2003. So and it happened, no. It was very very sad, no? Halos nagmoan ang buong Davao. I think maski nga ang mga ibang tao, mga pamilya natin, no, na kamag-anak at mga pamilya na people around in the Philippines, in the country. Ayan, no? So yung area naman doon, guys, that is the cargo area terminal, no? Cargo terminal area. Ayan, dyan na area. Ngayon meron ng parang it's an no, parang it's a hangar, no? Hangar yan siya. Ayun, yan siya, guys, no? So yun, naalala ko dyan, no? Pagka darating bababa kami dyan, ayan, kukunin yung mga bagahe dyan and then lalabas na doon. Andyan kasi yung mga conveyor belt sa likod niyan, sa baba nito. Ayan. So yun, no? Ayan, guys, no? So that's it, no? Sana matignan to ng CAAP or the DIAA, no? Ayan. So ngayon, guys, punta naman tayo doon sa mga area kung saan yung mga dating mga restaurants, no? At saka yung kainan na dito sa Davao International Airport, no? Let's go, guys. Ayan, guys, no? So ito yung road, no? This is the airport road, the old airport road. Ayan, no? Ito yung mga gagaling ka sa Sasa, no? Ayan, paikot yan. Kung ikaw ay dito papasok para sa parking area, kung dediretso ka naman dito, ito yung para maghatid ka na ng pasahero, no? Para sa alis. So ito yung area na ito, guys, ito yung mga restaurants before, no? Yung mga kainan. Ayan, mga bilihan dito, fruit stand, everything nandito lahat, no? Ayan, which is ngayon wala na, no? Ayan, some of this place like this, katulad nito, meron tong mga guys, yung parang mga rooms, no, na for rent yan, for si kaso, no, sa mga, kasi meron nga tayong mga pasahero coming out, galing sa ibang lugar, no, hindi coming from Davao City mismo. Ayan, so yun, guys, no? So they were all closed, no? But actually sila din yung mga naging tenants din doon sa current airport natin, no? Sila yung naging prioritize na ilipat doon, no? Ayan, guys, according sa dati kasi yung ating former mayor Duterte, prioritize sila na mailipat doon sa kabilang airport, no? Dahil nga mawawalan silang ng negosyo, dahil ito yung pinaka main nila, source of income, no? So nasad sila nung ililipat na yung Davao International Airport. Ayan, so hopefully lang, no, sana kung i-operate itong airport ulit dito, probably magiging mabubuhayan na naman tong area na ito ulit, no? Ayan, so ngayon, guys, ito na, no? So dati yan, no, kitang-kita mo na dito yung tower, no, yung control tower ng airport. Ngayon, since wala na, no, kasi meron ng bago, so totally demolish nila, no? Ayan, and then this is the international terminal building, no, which is fully air-conned, no? Ayan pa yung ng Minda, no, kasi ginamit nga to ng Minda, no, Mindanao Development Authority. Ayan, so yan lang, guys, no, that's it. Thank you so much mo again, no, Erica Dos, no. Pati tuloy ako, nagkaroon ako ng ganitong emotion, no, na miss ko tong area na ito. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy the video, no. Please like and share, and then sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe dyan, guys, no, please do so, subscribe na kayo, and hit nyo na rin yung notification bell para ma-notify kayo every time I will upload a video tungkol sa mga development dito sa Metro Davao. Okay? Sa aking paalala na tayo ay mag-iingat sa ating pang-araw-araw na mga ginagawa, dahil ang ating mga mahal sa buhay ay nag-aantay sa atin, makauwi tayo ng matiwasay. Okay, guys? So this is Laking Davao, and binisita natin tong old international airport na passenger building, no? Ayan. So that's it, guys, no? Thank you so much, and have a nice day sa inyo lahat dyan, guys, no? Happy Kadayawan, enjoy lang kayo, and have a long weekend tayo, no? Ayan, so God bless us all, and adios.